Hello everyone. Now this is what I do here. You can see here, this is what I do. The C-17. You see the cargo plane there? That's where I do all my work from for Boeing. And I wanted to introduce you to my book collection here. I write books to get income here. So you can see here I have the basketball book. This is about all games that people could play with rules, and these are some of these are what I invented. I invented these basketball games with the rules in there. The next book I have is growing blueberries, cultivating blueberries, and for my other channel that you guys know, I do a lot of gardening work and I grow blueberries. I specialize in. This book will tell you everything you need to know to be successful in growing blueberries. All right, the next one is the forklift. How to get your license to drive a forklift, get a job in a warehouse. You need to pass this book to get the forklift license. All right, and then the final one is my fifth book. I just put this out, and it's about talking about the Generation Z and how to succeed. And this one is basically based off of business. You know, I'm a business guy, and a lot of my stuff is based on business. This tells you when you get a roadblock in front of you, business wise, how to get around that obstacle. And this book will help you in that. It's priced very low and cheap, so you guys can take advantage of that. Alright? It's one of my lowest priced books, but the quality and information is the highest. Alright, so I appreciate you guys watching. I would ask you guys take advantage and ask me questions because a lot of you are not doing that. And so, take the opportunity I'm offering you here. I got a world of experience. I got over 35 years of experience in machining and business. You guys are not taking advantage of that. Alright, so let me know in the comments if you want to get my book. Tell me, hey, I'm going to buy your book. It's on KDP on Amazon. Just go to Amazon and type in there books by J.C. Flores, and you'll get all my books that I have available. Alright, so I appreciate that. Let me know if you want to see the fly cutting, and I'll show you the fly cutting. Alright, take care.
Let's go.